The Ferrari 296 GTB is a rear mid-engine, rear-wheel drive sports car produced in Maranello, Italy. Its sleek two-door Berlinetta body style is available as a retractable hardtop convertible variant. The car's heart is a 3-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine combined with 2 electric motors, delivering a total output of 830 horsepower. Unveiled in June 2021, the 296 GTB is Ferrari's first production model equipped with a 6-cylinder engine. This innovative power pack provides the vehicle with an impressive power-to-weight ratio of 560 horsepower per tonne, highlighting the car's high-performance capabilities. The model's name follows the original Dino's naming scheme, indicating the engine's displacement and the number of cylinders, with GTB standing for Gran Turismo Berlinetta. The sports car accelerates to 100 km per hour, or 62 miles per hour, in just 2.9 seconds, with a top speed specified to be over 330 km per hour, or 205 miles per hour. In addition to its impressive combustion engine, the 296 GTB houses a high-voltage accumulator under the floor with an energy capacity of 7.45 kilowatt-hour. This allows the vehicle to be driven in an electric-only mode for short distances, an asset in urban areas with zero-emission zones. Variations of the 296 GTB include the Assetto Fiorano, a track-oriented version, and the 296 GTS, an open-top variant with a folding hardtop. Despite weighing more due to chassis reinforcing components, the GTS maintains equal performance to the GTB, demonstrating the versatility and comprehensive design of the model. The 296 GTB's impact extends beyond the automotive world. Ferrari partnered with Epic Games to introduce the car as a drivable vehicle in the online Battle Royale video game, Fortnite Battle Royale, promoting its launch in an innovative manner. Furthermore, Ferrari plans to introduce the Ferrari 296 Challenge in 2024, signifying the model's influence in motorsport. The 296 GT3, the race variant, made its debut at the 2023 24 Hours of Daytona and achieved victory at the 2023 24 Hours of Nürburgring, setting a new distance record. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.